how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Microsoft Store from your computer search. Over here, search for Office 365. After that, find the free version and click on Install. Then log in with your Microsoft account. After that, the second method is to go to Google and search for Office 365. Then open the second link, which is office.com. Over here, log in with your Microsoft account. After that, on the home screen, click on Install Apps. Then from the drop down, select Microsoft 365 apps. After that, a setup file will download. Then open it and click Yes to begin installation. Once installed, search for Excel in your computer and open it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.